A basic microwave. It's a $59.99, 700 watt, 0.7 cubic foot basic microwave. Basically the most standard microwave you can look at. But what they've done is they've added a new feature to be able to control it with Alexa. So you can see there's a button right here that says Ask Alexa. So the microwave itself is paired to this Echo Plus over here. So I can do something like put a potato in there, which I've got, push the button, and say, one potato. And it's automatically controlled the microwave to the automatic mode for the potato. You can do this with popcorn, you can do this with defrosting, you can do this with a whole bunch of different things that you might use a microwave for. You can also stop it with your voice, stop the microwave. And there you go. Now the other thing that you can do is you can use your voice directly with the Echo Plus without having to touch your microwave at all. So I could say, Alexa, microwave one potato. And it does the exact same thing there. So we'll stop that.
34 seconds.
Now, the way that Amazon was able to do this is with the new Amazon Connect module, which adds Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and some of the other things that are necessary to make it possible for appliances to talk to Alexa and talk to the cloud and become smart. Now, Amazon's using this as a kind of a demo of this, the product and the Amazon Connect feature, but you can still buy it. It's $60. You can order it today and it will ship sometime in November. But what the real model here is for when other appliance makers can easily integrate Alexa services right into their thing. So if it's a washing machine or an oven or a microwave oven or something else like that, it makes it very easy for them to do that. It's pretty interesting, it's pretty wild, and it's pretty cool.